Both eyes open. When you bring it up, you visualize both. You see, you put this point between this point, dead even, flat across, and that puts you dead on. You pull it up, you easily squeeze the trigger, right in the head.
Oh, in the face.
We'll show for accuracy, we'll go for 2 shots.
Oh, sorry.
To show it's not by accident. Same hole. 2 shots. Now your turn, Mr. Taylor. Hold on a second. Go pick the paper up. Put the gun down by your side. Not on the ground, not on the ground.
Oh.
Just stick it in your pocket on the side of your pants. Take your finger, make sure your finger is not on the bullet.
Shoot my pants.
It will not.
Wait.
Just like that. You like it?
Yeah.
Well, I think get some more bullets. Taylor, you got the gun aiming this way. There you go. Keep it that way at all times. And that's how you shoot a gun.